knitting, knitting. She sat alone and knitting still, each loop a whispered plan. Her fingers danced like secrets in silence cold and grand. Knitting, 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 knitting. Worriedly, 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 worriedly. He watched her face so worriedly, the shadows in her eyes, like noblemen in hiding, afraid of truth and lies. Worriedly, 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 worriedly. Noticed, 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 noticed. He noticed how the whispers grew beneath the silent gloom, where desperate hearts were trembling in every crowded room. Noticed, 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 noticed. Arrange, 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 arrange. They tried to calmly arrange escape with trembling hands and care. Behind the doors of danger, beside the cold night air. Arrange, 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 arrange. Exhausted, 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 exhausted from the years inside. He moved through time and space, disappeared behind his mind. No doorway left a trace. Exhausted, 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 exhausted. Patiently, 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 patiently. She patiently stayed by his side when all the rest had fled. Afterwards, she'd hold him close and wipe his aching head. Patiently, 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 obeying, 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 obeying without voice or thought. His soul worn thin and torn. Behind the mask of silence, a ghost of what was born. Obeying, 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 obeying. The way, the way, the way, the way, the way, the way, the way. She stood within the doorway dark, a lantern in her hand, trembled at the nobleman and whispered out her stand. The way, the way, the way, the way, the way, the way, the way. Knitting, worried, knitting, noticed the range, exhausted patiently.